this? What is it? It's a dinosaur. 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 What color is it? It's purple.
Wow, let's play music. Push a letter button.
Okay.
Wow, let's learn colors.
Let's learn colors. Okay, let's learn colors. That's what we wanted to do. Okay, so let's press the first button. What do you think if I press this button here? What color is it going to say? Let's try.
Red.
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 Red. Okay, next one. What do you think?
Yellow.
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 Yellow. And the next one.
Green.
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 Green. And what do you think? If I press this one here, what is it going to say?
Blue.
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 Blue. Okay, next one.
Red.
Red.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Green.
Green.
Blue.
Blue.
Red.
Red.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Green.
Green.
Blue.
Blue. Oh, and it continues on the back.
Blue. Red. Yellow. Green.
Blue, red, yellow, green.
Blue. Yellow. Green. Red.
Blue, yellow, green, red. Yay!
Wow. Push a letter button.
Push a letter button. Okay, let's push a letter button then. How about this one?
Red.
Red.
Yellow.
Yellow.